back to the north gate. Let's see what happens this time. Raccoon, raccoon, and there's one more up by the gate post. So we got 3 raccoons out there. 6:30 in the morning. What is he doing? Little guy's confused. Contractor coming in. Now he's going out. Coming back in. And we got somebody else coming in. He's not sure how to open the gate. He got it open. He's coming out. Might have taken the lock with him. Contractor going out. Alright, we got Coyote there in the left-hand corner. Very brief moment of him. And now we got Raccoon going up the side of the bank. Where's he going? Not sure he knows where he's going. There's little eyes. And one more time. Where's your eye? There they are. Okay, contractor coming back in again. And big truck. And there was another big truck. We didn't get caught. And the truck coming out. We didn't get the first truck coming out either. So 2 loads of gravel went up. Contractor coming back out. And he's back yet again. And we got a blue truck. I don't remember a blue truck. Though I do kind of remember a blue truck, so I'm not sure who the heck that is. Contractor coming back out. And then we move to the south middle gate. For a note, nobody has moved our rocks since we redid them last time. Contractor coming out. No, going in, sorry. And he's coming out with the Bobcat. Must be somebody else coming out because we didn't catch that and he left the gate open. And we got a van coming in. And we got people walking down the road. 8 o'clock at night. Don't understand that. And then this van going back out. I think it's a camper van. And he's come back in. Look at those lights up there at the top of the van. And back out again. Must be staying at one of the properties. And we got what is this, a Land Rover, Range Rover coming in. I think that's part of the hunt club. And he's going back out. And it's a little wet now. And that's all we got this time. No ATVs going in and out this time. Surprised. Where's that hunt club at? See you guys later.